Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is my baby Sky. He is 2 years old, Maltese breed. This is my first video and I'm going to document my 4-week training plan. Samahan niyo ako. For day 1, as a beginner, it's going to be a 20-minute walk. I'm just walking around our flat. My husband also encourages me to do this. He usually run 42 kilometers actually. He joined the New York Marathon in 2018 and last year Berlin Marathon, and then this year he was selected also for Chicago Marathon. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa metro. Ay, tawid to. Okay, it's 18 minutes. 2 minutes more. Medyo malayo pa. Diretso pa ako konti. Ayan, dumidilim na. It's 5:30 p.m. Okay, 6 seconds more, so this is it, pansit. I'm done.